Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change region in PUBG. Changing your region in PUBG can affect matchmaking, server connection, and available events. It is useful if you move to a new location or want better ping during gameplay. To begin, open PUBG and log into your account from the main lobby. Click on the arrow on the bottom right and go to Settings. Under Accounts, you will see an option called Country or Region Settings. You can only change the region once every 30 days. If you have not changed your region in the last 30 days, click on Change and select your preferred region from the list. PUBG may show a confirmation message because region changes can be limited or locked for a certain period. After confirming, restart the game to apply the changes properly. Your matchmaking and server connection will now be based on the selected region. Keep in mind that frequent region changes may be restricted, so choose carefully before confirming. And that's it. We just learned how to change the region in PUBG using the in-game settings and apply the update correctly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.